One of the main issues with the marine environment is it's out of sight, out of mind.
Hi, I'm Lawrence Stone, Programme Leader for the Foundation Degree in Marine Ecology and Conservation at Bournemouth University. It's really for those people who want to make a difference in terms of marine conservation. We are looking for those people who are qualified, who are able to study academically, but we want people who can actually get out, make a difference, get themselves dirty, go into the field, really try to conserve the environment itself.
Thank you.
Hi, my name's Tom. I'm currently studying Marine Ecology and Conservation here at Kingston Morwood College. I found the course last year. The first year the course had actually been around. It was everything I'd actually looked for in a course, so I jumped at the chance of doing it. Just completed the first year and found it to be very interesting. There's a big practical side as well, which is great.
Hi, I'm Fiona, I'm the Framework Leader for Integrated Animal and Environmental Sciences, which includes the programme in Marine and Environmental Conservation. The units that I teach in the first year on the programme include Principles of Animal Behaviour and Legislation and Ethics. The legislation and ethics may not sound particularly gripping, but unfortunately there are very few professions these days which don't require a fairly detailed underpinning knowledge of legislative consideration. And surprisingly, once we've got through those and considered a variety of the ethical considerations that span a broad spectrum of both marine and general environmental issues, most students find that by the end of it they actually do have a deeper understanding and an appreciation of why it's pivotal both to the course and to future employment.
My name's Andrew and I lead the units in environmental physiology and aquaculture. In environmental physiology we look at a wide range of marine species. We start off with a heavy emphasis on cell biology, and then we move on to fish, marine mammals and other commercially important species, as well as those that are endangered in the wild. There's a strong practical element, lots of laboratory-based work, some using specimens collected, others using practical investigations, and several using yourselves as the subjects of practical investigations. Aquaculture, on the other hand, is very much more industry-focused. It's about teaching you about the economic importance of the industry, and it's focused particularly on welfare and legislative aspects.
This course is quite different from other foundation degrees, and we try to do that in 4 different ways. Obviously, the first main aspect of the course is to provide you with the theoretical and scientific knowledge, the actual knowledge so you can actually go out and try to make a difference and conserve habitats. The second is to try to gain these practical skills or practical scientific qualifications. We want you to be able to go out in the field and actually identify the different species, not just go out and try to sort of look at things, but actually understand what you're looking at, what they are, how they affect the environment and so on. Thirdly, and this is quite an important aspect of this particular course, we're trying to provide these additional qualifications. There are so many people at the moment who really want to get into marine ecology. They want to work with dolphins, they want to work with whales. Because there's so many people, everyone's come out with very similar qualifications. So we're trying to provide you with additional enrichment activities. So coming onto this course, you'll be able to do things like scuba diving, you'll be able to do things like your powerboat level 2 course, you'll be able to actually go out into the shore, carry out surveys, you'll learn how to handle boats, how to identify animals below the oceans. Finally, and this is also quite important, we're trying to get you to work with the actual industry partners itself. So what you'll really be doing is working with those people you may actually gain employment with. Fortunately, at the moment, awareness, concern for the marine environment, for marine species is increasing all the time. That means there's lots more jobs coming out. The sort of things you could be doing is working as a marine warden for marine reserves, places like Kimmeridge, Lulworth. You could be working as a marine ranger for various county councils. You could be a consultant for places like the Joint Nature Conservation Committee. You could be involved in trying to reduce coastal erosion, try to stop flooding, working for people like the Environment Agency. You could be working in Madagascar, Zimbabwe, carrying out conservation projects abroad, actually out there hands-on, trying to protect species. You could also end up perhaps working as an aquarist within an aquarium, perhaps in the Sea Life Centre, or even somewhere abroad, perhaps some of the Florida aquariums there. Finally, if you really wanted it, you can actually go into the education side itself. You can actually come back and try to teach people about the marine environment, conservation and education.